You've been told that perimenopause is complicated, that you need a million things just to feel like yourself again. Hormone replacement therapy, supplements, antidepressants. But what if I told you there are three simple hormone hacks every woman in perimenopause needs to start today, and no one's talking about them? Today, I'm breaking down three powerful but often overlooked ways to support your hormones during perimenopause, why they work, why you're probably missing them, and how to start right away. Hey, I'm Evelyn, a holistic wellness coach specializing in women's hormone health and fertility, but here we go beyond that. From balancing hormones to mastering your emotions and embracing feminine energy, this is your space for all things holistic wellness, empowerment, and transformation. Get ready to reclaim your confidence, elevate your energy, and step into your most magnetic self. If that speaks to you, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and welcome to the channel. Before we dive in, I want to quickly mention that I'm not a medical doctor, and this video is for educational purposes only. This is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making any health changes. Now let's get into it. Hack number one, magnesium. Magnesium is one of the top supplements every woman in perimenopause needs. And honestly, it's not just helpful, it's essential. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. We're talking energy production, nervous system regulation, hormone synthesis, blood sugar balance, sleep quality, stress resilience, detoxification, digestion, nutrient absorption, literally almost everything. But here's the problem. Most people are severely deficient. Thanks to things like soil depletion, chronic stress, alcohol consumption, caffeine, medications, even intense exercise, magnesium gets depleted fast. So it's imperative that we supplement with it. And here's why magnesium matters so much during perimenopause specifically. First, it calms your nervous system. Perimenopause often brings anxiety, mood swings, irritability, and trouble sleeping. All signs that your nervous system is overwhelmed. This overwhelm is common because your body is navigating major hormonal shifts. Magnesium helps regulate your stress response and boosts GABA, which is your brain's natural calming chemical. Second, it improves sleep and reduces night sweats. Sleep disruption is a very common complaint during perimenopause. Magnesium helps by promoting melatonin production and relaxing your muscles and nervous system, so you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Third, magnesium balances blood sugar. As estrogen drops, many women start to experience insulin resistance, meaning blood sugar regulation becomes tricky. Magnesium improves insulin sensitivity, which helps keep your weight, energy, and mood swings in check. And last, but definitely not least, magnesium supports bone health. During perimenopause, bone density can drop pretty fast. While calcium is important, magnesium is the mineral that helps your body absorb and use calcium and vitamin D properly, so your bones stay strong. Now, not all magnesium supplements are created equal. So here are the best forms to take during perimenopause. Magnesium glycinate, which is perfect for stress, anxiety, and sleep. Magnesium L-threonate, which is great for brain fog and memory support. Magnesium malate, which boosts energy and eases muscle pain. And magnesium taurate, which helps with heart palpitations and calms the nervous system. I'll link a few magnesium blends that I personally love and recommend in the description box below. So if you're feeling stressed, struggling to sleep, or facing those common perimenopause symptoms, magnesium might just become your new best friend. And if you want to dive deeper into how much magnesium to take and how to make sure your body absorbs it properly, I'll link two videos down below that you'll find super helpful. Hack number two, support your adrenals. During perimenopause, your ovaries gradually produce less estrogen and progesterone. As this happens, your adrenal glands, which mainly manage your body's stress response, are supposed to step in and help with the transition by producing some of these sex hormones to pick up the slack. But here's the issue. If your adrenals are already burnt out from chronic stress, overworking, overexercising, undereating, or poor sleep, which is very common today, they can't effectively support this hormonal transition. This can lead to worse mood swings, fatigue, weight gain, especially around the belly, hot flashes and night sweats, sleep disturbances, low libido, vaginal dryness, headaches, and migraines. So supporting your adrenals equals supporting hormonal balance. That means prioritizing rest and recovery, managing stress levels, getting adequate, efficient protein like chicken, turkey, eggs, beef, bison, venison, fish, and seafood, and mineral-rich foods like dark leafy greens, Celtic salt, and nettle infusions, and making sure you're eating enough overall. I dive deeper into this in a couple of other videos, so I'll be sure to link those in the description box below. Hack number three, detox support. You have to learn how to support your body's natural detoxification processes, which unfortunately most people are never taught. When detox pathways aren't working efficiently, your body can't properly clear out the toxins, excess hormones, and metabolic waste. Instead, all of that starts to recycle and build up inside you. And when waste accumulates, it overwhelms your entire system. Your endocrine, digestive, immune, and nervous systems all get stressed out. So what can you do? Some of the best foods to support detox are beans, like black beans, kidney beans, cannellini beans, and pinto beans, broccoli sprouts, raw carrots, and cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. Including these into your regular diet can make a huge difference in how you feel during perimenopause. If you want to learn more, I highly recommend joining my 6-week self-guided program, the Mind Body Hormone Refresh. Detoxification is a major focus of this program, and I'll guide you step by step on how to support your body naturally so you can finally take back control of your hormone health once and for all. I'll also include that link in the description box below. Now I want to hear from you. What's the biggest challenge you faced with your hormone health during perimenopause? Have you tried any natural hacks like magnesium or adrenal support, and how did they work for you? And if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And be sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.